Hi guys, Jason at Jordanbikes. Today I've got for you something really special. This Fireblade is so clean, it's almost just like come out of a showroom. It really is that nice. Come have a look at it, it's absolutely beautiful in the HRC colours. It really could honestly go in a collection. It's only done 5,000 miles and it's on an 07 plate. You know, it's 11 years old and honestly it is like new. Absolutely, totally original exhaust, everything. It's just beautiful. I honestly cannot find any marks on it. You're welcome to come and have a look yourself and try and find some. 5,709 miles, that's all it's done. Give it a start for you. Where do you find them in this sort of condition? It honestly is this clean. Not been molested, played with, nothing. So if you're looking for the ultimate blade, this shape is probably the best they've ever done. You know where we are at Jordanbikes, come take a look for yourself, or even better, give us a call.